Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Success number 5 is to win the battle without fighting. What do we mean by this? So many times when I work with customers, they are not doing a competitor analysis properly, and they're not looking at the way that they solve the problem and whether it is different to anybody else. They're not fully integrating their solution into a wider picture and actually having any idea how anybody else is solving that problem. So when we are battling against our competitors, we do not want to be battling on price. We want to be battling on the way that we do, the way that we solve the problem, or a technical capability, or some kind of specification, functionality, some kind of way of doing business, how we deliver the business. We do not want to be competing on price. Our model of business is to be competing in such a way that our price is higher than our competitors. But so often I come across situations where in reality, in the boardrooms, they're going, well, what's so-and-so doing? What's this other competitor doing? Oh, well, we'll just do it a little bit better, or we'll just do it a little bit cheaper. This is not how successful businesses grow and are successful long term. So we must win the battle without a fight. We don't want to get into competitor battles or price wars. We want to win through our brand and the way we do business and how we deliver, and how wonderful our golden house of enchantment is. So brilliant, no one wants to leave.